While presenting this year's budget, National Treasury Cabinet Secretary Ukur Yatani proposed to rename the Kenya Revenue Authority to the Kenya Revenue Service to rebrand the taxman and transform its public image.
In order to align the operation of the authorities with emerging trend, I propose to amend the Kenya Revenue Authority Act to change the name of the authority from Kenya Revenue Authority to Kenya Revenue Service.
The Kenya Revenue Authority has over the years grappled with, among others, tax apathy. Yatani envisioned that the rebrand will make KRA people-friendly to increase tax compliance. However, the proposed changes have been shot down by the National Assembly.
I beg to report that the Committee of the Whole House has considered the Kenya Revenue Authority Amendment Bill, National Assembly Bill number 24 of 2022, and that pursuant to Standing Order 140, the bill has been withdrawn.
After a heated exchange, Majority Leader in the National Assembly, Amos Kimunya, opted to withdraw the bill.
We are transiting from service to from KRA to Kenya Revenue Services, and if we do not, with certainty, decipher those two issues, then it may be assumed, firstly, that you have commissioners beginning a new term under a new service.
And the board can say, this is a different entity. So we are starting afresh. So what I'm trying to say is that, let us put it, we are lawmakers. Transitional and consequential amendments are very critical and fundamental in drafting of laws. So what I'm just saying is that there's a current Commissioner General and there's a board. So you are changing, it's like you're changing the name of the Kenya National Assembly to Kenya National Representative. So what will be the fate of the clerk as of now? So we must have a safeguard to make sure that as we change the name, the current Commissioner General and the board will not take it on the face of it, that they are starting a new organization.
And I want to think that there's nothing wrong in reiteration in law as long as it's evoking clarity. Because actually, matter transition can be something else if you don't really take care of that. So for me, I would want to urge the House to accept that amendment for purposes of clarity, and even if it is a reiteration, it does not actually kill or break a bone.
I beg to move that the committee do report to the House its consideration of the Kenya Revenue Authority Amendment Bill, National Assembly Bill number 24 of 2022, and that pursuant to Standing Order number 140, the bill has been withdrawn.
This means the Kenya Revenue Authority maintains its title as is, an end to a journey, at least as of now, to an attempt to rebrand the Kenya Revenue Service, whose quest began last December through a tweet seeking public views. Regina Manyar reporting for Lunchtime News.